Sometimes in our life we keep saying, I'll do it later or I'll start from tomorrow. But what happened, my dear friends? Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow, it's just a word. So, whatever we want to do in our life, we will have to start from today. So, so today's world full of distraction, endless scrolling, and constant notifications. Sometimes we tell us to ourselves, we still have lots of time. We will start from tomorrow. But this small habit, but this small habit kills our dreams. This small habit destroy our life. So whatever we want to do, we will have to start from today. And the one who respects the value of time climbs to the top of success, but the one who doesn't respect the value of time, who burns in the fire of regret. So do it from today. If you want to master anything in your life, then you will have to start from today. So good evening. You can see getting dark. I'll share very inspiring story with everyone. It's not just a story, it's a warning. So without further delay, let's begin. Once upon a time in a village used to live a boy. He was extremely lazy. He always used to delay his work. I'll do it later or I'll start from tomorrow. But because of this, he really he missed lots of chance in his life. He had now he was very young and he had no friends, no family and no money. He was wanted to do so many things in his life, but because of laziness he was unable to do so anything. He was keep thinking and keep wasting in his time by resting in his room. He always used to eat and sleep, and he was regretting a lot. He was regretting, but he was not doing anything. And one day a very knowledgeable and wisdom man came in that village. So all villagers went to meet him and went to learn from him a lot. So meeting start meeting started in the park on the park. So all villagers were listening him. And when crowd left, then that boy thought, if meet I'll meet to that wisdom man, then I can also learn from a lot. I'll share about my story, and I have nothing. So if I'll share with him my whole story, then definitely he will change my life. Within this thought, he went up to meet him. He went up to meet him, and he said, Master, today I have nothing. I have no friends, no family, no money. And please show me the right way to achieve success. And my family, friends try to understand me a lot, but I don't know why I am unable to do so anything. Then that wise man began, okay, dear child, if you want to do anything in your life, then first you will have to you you will have to do really hard work. And because of your laziness, you have lost everything. And today I'll share a story. Listen this story very carefully, then you will relate yourself to that story, to this story. Then wise man began, and that boy keep listening. And that man said, once upon a time, long time ago, in a kingdom used to live a very honest and and hardworking king, and all everyone was very happy with him work. He used to love his villagers a lot. So one day he met with him an old friend who was in his class. So that his friend now his friend was jobless and very poor. So his friend sighed to meet him, but anyhow anyhow he meets to king, and he sighed and said to king, I don't know why people think about wrong about me. They think I am useless. When I applied for job, they reject me. I don't know what to do, what to not. Please show me. Please, please do something for me. Then king said, okay. King understood everything, that this my friend is lazy, and because of laziness he lost everything. Then he tried to teach. Then he tries to teach good lesson to him, and he said, listen carefully. Today you have whole day before sunset, and you can take gold, jewels, money, diamond, pearls, as much as you can from my treasury, and whatever you will take today, it will be yours then. And remember one thing, today you have only you have time before sunset. Then that king that his then king's friend became very happy. He ran up to his home and shared this news to his wife. His wife became very happy. Both of them were very happy. Then wife said, go right now and bring 2 sacks of gold and jewels. Then that man said, no, right now I'm very hungry. Please cook food for me. Then his wife cooked food and he ate. After the eat, he fall asleep, and he sleep. After 2 hours, his wife went up to wake up him. When he woke up, he saw it was afternoon, and he thought, I have still lots of time. I have still lots of time. Let me. And he became angry on his wife and said, why you have woke up me so soon? I want to sleep more. Then, but his wife didn't listen to him, and he said, go right now in the palace and go and bring treasure. Then but that and that man takes 2 sacks and began to go towards the palace. Because of hot sun on the way, he felt tired, and started thinking to take rest under a tree. He went under a tree and sat there. Soon, because of his laziness, he felt tired and slept under that tree. The environment was very cool under the tree, so he slept. Now this time he was in deep sleep. No one was there to wake up him. So he was keep sleeping, and when he woke up, he saw, what he saw? It was evening. The sun was already set. He was regretting. He woke up and ran and ran and ran. He ran towards the palace. When he reached to the palace, what he saw? He saw the palace gate was closed. It was evening and it was getting dark. He was regretting, and now he was outside of the palace gate and regretting and crying. He had lost everything. he was regretting, and he thought, what I have lost today. I have lost everything because of my laziness. I have lost everything. What will I say to my wife? What will I say to my friend King? And he was keep regretting and unable to do so anything. So friends, when wise man stop sharing this story, that boy understood everything. He understood the value of time. Immediately he went up to his home and started doing hard work. He started reading, he started applying for the job, and within few months he got good job, and now he had job and money. Within few months also he found his friends, family, and now he had everything that he wished for. So within few months he became popular, and now he had everything, and now everyone started recognize him because of his hard work. And that story changed his life completely. He turns lazy man to hardworking man and achieved everything in his life. So friends, this was the story which I shared. We can learn from this story. If you will give respect the value of time, the time will respect you. And if you will waste the time will destroy your whole life. So give respect the value of time and do hard work. Achieve whatever you want in your life doing hard work. So getting dark, and I hope you will definitely like this inspiring story, and you will also start doing hard work from now. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.